Hey guys, today we're installing these H11 Acuma LED bulbs into my 2012 Ram 2500. Come on, let's do this. Start out, pull your plastic tabs. Remove this plastic shield, set those to the side. Or you get these mats on Amazon. Then take your M12 impact, remove the bolts for your grill, set it to the side someplace safe. So now we're going to remove the bolts that hold the headlight in. Don't do like I did and just start yanking. You want to come over here. You want to flip this tab down. There's a tab, the white one right there. You want to pull it down. So then you want to kind of give it a little snap out the insert. So then once you have it pulled out, you're going to counterclockwise turn this cover out, set it to the side. And then down in here, you'll see the bulb. You will counterclockwise turn it, quarter turn, pull it out. Make sure your bulb is cooled down before you go to touch it. And really, you shouldn't be touching the glass anyways. There's a retaining clip here, lift slightly, pull it out. Putting the new bulb in, go ahead and make your connection. Lay the wires in. Make sure you line all three tabs up and you can see them inside the bulb. And then push it and turn until they're locked. It's about a quarter turn. So I'm having to take it back apart because I forgot again, I didn't put my dust cover back on. So after inserting the new bulb, make sure that your headlight is popped in. Gives a good satisfying pop. Make sure it's all lined up. Take your screws, bolts, put it all back together the way it came apart. Your coarse threads go into the plastic housing on the left. Your metal threads will go into the center brackets in the middle. Thanks for following along while we installed these Acuma LED bulbs. So we'll have a link down in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.